Alright guys, welcome back to another TCS Studios video. Next to me here is a 17-inch iMac that we're going to be unboxing. Personally, this is my favorite design of the iMac. I just thought that the swivel arm and that you could move it all around was super awesome. And this could have potential today even. It looked way ahead of its time whenever it came out. So without further ado, we're going to hop into the unboxing here and show you everything that comes in this box. As far as I know, even all the paperwork and everything is still in here. So let's get into it. Alright, so taking a look. This box is very old. I'm surprised it's still in one piece. Just put that aside. There we go. Alright, so all the foam inserts and everything are still in here. So on the top, looks like we've got a user guide, early Apple Care pamphlet, this is like software licensing, proof of purchase coupons, which is I guess for OS X. More software licensing, another proof of purchase thing for Apple's iLife 2004 edition. A welcome booklet to OS X Panther, and a Mac OS X install and setup guide for Panther. And this is just installing iLife, which is not important. So I'll actually take all these out. Set those over here. Inside we have a power cable that does not appear to be Apple. That's tragic. Alright, this does appear to be Apple. We have a keyboard that is in desperate need of restoration. Let's see if the mouse is the same story. Mouse is in seemingly decent condition, not too many scratches on the plastic, and everything seems to work. Lift this foam piece out the way. Now we get into the main event here. Oh, this is cool. It comes with the Apple speakers, which these seem to be in pretty good shape. They're just, they're just dusty, so they just need to be cleaned, and then they'll be good to go. Which is going to be trying to get this guy out of here. So I don't want to pick it up by the hinge because you run the risk of damaging it. What's up the bottom? All right. There we go. We've got the iMac there. Let's grab the power cable and see if we can't power this up really quick. Okay. Now that we finally got everything set up here, let's go ahead and power this dude on. We've never powered this up before, so who knows, this might not work. Looks like we've got some issues there in the corners of the display. It's visible on camera there. If I had to guess, I'd say this thing probably sat in a box for a long time. And there we go. Alright, so we did connect Ethernet to this. And it will load up, kind of. So this is Facebook you're looking at right now, and it's unsupported browser, and it didn't really want to work right. So this is going to be it for this unboxing video. Unfortunately, we didn't get to show you too much of like how this thing actually works, but hopefully in the future we'll try to figure out and see what we can do to make some things work. I think these days things like Facebook and other web pages are too new, and then the old Safari browser doesn't support them. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, be sure to do all the cliche things that YouTubers say at the end of the videos, like subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. No one's forcing you. So yeah, so stick around for the next one. There's a whole bunch of more old Apple stuff around here. So there'll be probably more videos on those in the future. So we'll see y'all in the next one.